Right then, so we've got it sort of done. Got the pillars in place, got the wood sealed on both sides. I've even put a little hook here. Got a couple of stanchions or whatever you call them across here. That's the front, because this is wonky. It lays back a little bit. I don't mind, I wanted it organic. Now I need to do the roof. Now I'm thinking of several ways of doing this, but first what I need to do is put the perch on the top. That's going to be fun, and I've just seen how I'm going to do it. Just by doing that. I'm going to carve into that with the sander. I think that'll do it. So if I put you up a little bit, there you go. Take a bit of a sander. Get in there. Get in there. Get in there. I think I need a new pad on my thingy. I think I do. Right then, new pad. Ow! Yeah, I think it's one. Heavier grit. I think that's as good as it's going to get with that. Yeah, I think that's as good as we're going to get with that, I think. Oh, I really could go deeper. I'm wondering. It'll do the job. With what I'm going to do, I think it'll do the job. It will do for what we're doing. So I need to drill a hole through this in the middle, and then drill into here. Right then, drill a hole in the middle, pop it on there, I'll put it where I want it, so about there, mark it, there we go. Right then, glue and screw it. Right then, so what I'm going to do, for the moment, I'm just going to flatten this off and see what happens, because I think I can make it fit better. Actually does look better. That'll do. Pressing the top here. that should work that way. That's better. It doesn't have to be perfect, it's organic, it's fine. Needs to go a little bit on the bottom there. That works, that works, that works. Now to get a screw. A little bit of power adhesive on the top. Well, that'll have to do. Oh, far too much. What the heck? Can't put it back now, got to use it. Right, so let's get that through there. That then goes to the hole there. And then we screw it on. Let's get a screwdriver. Flathead. It's an old screw, it's knackered. That's about right. Yeah, that'll do. All this is going to be covered up anyway with the next part of the plan. But I can use that to seal things in. And if you use a little bit of water, you can get it smooth as well. Just spray your hands with water and just do that. When that's dried, you can sand it. That's that bit done. Yup. Yup. Yep, we can sand that afterwards. I'll let that dry. It is wonky, but it's a bird table, and I'm making it up as I go along. It's supposed to be organic. Right. Take care, YouTube. Goodbye, YouTube.